Today I will introduce the clean aligner sheet. The material is different. We can provide you with the EVA soft one and the TPU 3-layer hard, soft and hard. And we also have PGT hard one. The thickness also can be customized. We have the 0.4 millimeter and 0.6 milliliter, 0.76 milliliter, and we also have 1 milliliter for you to choose. For the shape of the sheet, we can provide you with a round shape. We also have square shape. The usage of the sheet, we can do the aligner and the retainer, aligner attachment, and the night guard, sports guard. So the aligner and retainer are both durable and comfortable because the material has unique combination of high strength and high flexibility. And for the package, we also can do the customization to print your logo and graphic here. And this package can keep the sheet dry. We have been in this field for 16 years experience, so we can provide you with the CE, ISO, GMP, GMPC, and FDA certificates to support you. If you have any question, you can contact us. You can follow us to get more information.